M1 Maths, calculating areas. The area of a shape is the number of squares that will fit into it, or that it will take to cover it. The area of this rectangle is 40 squares. If the squares are 1 centimetre by 1 centimetre, then the area is in square centimetres. If they are 1 metre by 1 metre, then the area is in square metres, and so on. The area of this rectangle is 40 square centimetres. An easy way to count the squares is to count the number in a row, then multiply by the number of rows. In this case, 10 times 4 equals 40. 10 is the length of the rectangle, and 4 is the width. So we can also find the area by multiplying the length by the width. If we abbreviate area to A, length to L, and width to W, we have A equals L times W. This is covered more fully in the M1 Maths module, M14 Length, Area and Volume 1, which you can find by going to m1maths.com, selecting Main Menu, then Measurement, then Level 1. Then clicking the yellow M14 PDF link. This is part of the module, which also covers volumes of rectangular prisms. Areas of other shapes, like this, can be found by drawing enveloping rectangles snugly around them, like this. The length and width of the rectangle can be measured, and the area calculated using A equals L times W. In this case, maybe 5 centimetres by 2 centimetres equals 10 square centimetres. The fraction of the rectangle taken up by the shape can then be estimated. In this case, maybe 0.8. Then the area of the shape is about 0.8 times 10, which is 8 square centimetres. The fraction of the enveloping rectangle taken up by the shape is called the fill factor, F for short. So the area of the shape is given by A equals L times W times F. In this case, A equals 5 times 2 times 0.8 equals 8 square centimetres. This method can be used for triangles and circles. For triangles, F is always 1/2. So for this triangle, A equals L times W times F equals 6 times 4 times 1/2 equals 12 square centimetres. For circles, F is always roughly 3/4. To be exact, pi quarters, pi on 4. So for this circle, A equals L times W times F equals 20 times 20 times pi on 4 equals approximately 314 square centimetres. This is covered more fully, along with other shapes like parallelograms and trapeziums, in the M1 Maths module M23, Length, Area and Volume 2, which you can find by going to m1maths.com, selecting Main Menu, Measurement and Level 2.